My office was petitioned by members of the party from across the country that we should ask His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni to offer himself for another term as the chairman of the party and the president for the country. His Excellency the President is here on behalf of the members who petitioned the party to pick forms as the chairman of the party and the presidential candidate for the party.
It is now my singular honor on behalf of the Commission to declare that expression of interest is over, and we've given candidate H.E. Museveni all the forms and the regulations to fill and return the forms by 5th July or before 5th July.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.